In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Google Maps timeline. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to review places you've visited and how to make sense of what you're seeing. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account whose history you want to view. If you're signed into the wrong account, you won't see the timeline you expect. So it's worth double-checking that first. Once Google Maps is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of options like Explore and maybe things like Commute or Saved, depending on your version. You want to tap the one labeled Saved. This is where Google groups all of your lists, starred places, and, importantly, access to your timeline. After you tap Saved, scroll a little until you see a section related to your activity or timeline. Here you should see an option that says Timeline. Go ahead and tap that. If it's your first time opening Timeline, you may be asked to confirm some permissions or settings as related to location history. Follow the prompts on screen. If location history is turned off, your timeline will be empty, and you'll need to enable it before it can start recording where you go. Once Timeline is open, you'll see a calendar view or a date picker at the top of the screen. This is how you move through time. Choose a specific day, and Google Maps will show you the places you visited and the routes you traveled on that date. You can swipe left or right to move between days, or tap the date to jump to a different month or year. On the map, you'll notice lines showing your path, and pins marking stops you made. Underneath, you'll usually see a list of locations, times, and sometimes modes of transport, such as walking, driving, or public transit. If something doesn't look right, you can tap a place or a segment and edit or remove it, which helps keep your timeline accurate. Remember that everything here is private to your account. If you ever decide you don't want this data saved, you can pause or delete location history from your Google account settings, and that will affect what appears or doesn't appear in this timeline view.